Bay windows are a beautiful architectural feature that can completely transform a home. They invite natural light, create additional seating or display space, and enhance curb appeal. In Frisco, where homeowners take pride in both style and energy efficiency, bay windows often serve as a focal point. But like any part of your home, they won't last forever. Knowing when it's time to replace your bay windows can help you avoid costly damage, improve comfort, and boost your home's value. Here are the key signs it may be time for an upgrade. Noticeable drafts or temperature changes. If you feel a draft when sitting near your bay window, that's a red flag. Properly installed, high-quality bay windows should keep your indoor temperature consistent. In Frisco's hot summers and chilly winter nights, inefficient windows can cause your HVAC system to work overtime. You might notice certain rooms feel warmer or cooler than the rest of the house. This often means the window seals have deteriorated or the frame has warped. Replacing outdated bay windows with modern, energy-efficient models can significantly improve insulation and reduce energy bills. Rising energy costs. Have your energy bills steadily increased without a clear reason? Old or poorly performing windows could be the culprit. Over time, window seals break down, allowing air to escape and outdoor temperatures to creep in. Today's bay windows come with advanced features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. Upgrading can help maintain indoor comfort while lowering monthly utility costs, something every Frisco homeowner can appreciate. Visible damage or rotting frames. Take a close look at your bay window frames. Are there cracks, soft spots, or signs of water damage? Wood frames are especially vulnerable to rot in areas exposed to moisture. Even small cracks can expand over time, leading to structural problems. Because bay windows extend outward from your home, they are more exposed to the elements than flat windows. If you notice peeling paint, warping, or water stains around the window, it may be time to consider replacement before the damage spreads to surrounding walls. Condensation between glass panes. A little condensation on the inside of your window during temperature changes is normal. However, condensation trapped between the panes of glass is not. This usually means the seal has failed and the insulating gas between the panes has escaped. Once the seal is broken, the window loses much of its energy efficiency. Unfortunately, this issue can't be fixed with a simple repair. Replacing the glass or the entire window unit is often the best solution to restore clarity and performance. Difficulty opening or closing bay windows often include operable side panels for ventilation. If those windows stick, won't lock properly, or are difficult to open and close, it's more than just an inconvenience. It could indicate frame shifting, swelling, or hardware failure. In some cases, minor adjustments can solve the issue. But if problems persist, it may signal that the window structure is failing. New replacement windows offer smooth operation, improved security features, and better overall functionality. Outdated style or reduced curb appeal. Frisco neighborhoods continue to grow and modernize. If your bay windows look outdated, faded, or mismatched with your home's current style, replacing them can instantly refresh your exterior. Today's designs offer sleek frames, customizable finishes, and expanded glass areas for better views and more natural light. A new bay window not only enhances your living space but also increases curb appeal and potential resale value. Water leaks around the window. Water intrusion is one of the most serious warning signs. If you notice moisture, bubbling drywall, or mold around your bay window, don't ignore it. Leaks can compromise your home's structural integrity and lead to costly repairs. Because bay windows project outward, proper sealing and support are critical. If leaks are recurring despite repairs, a full replacement may be the most reliable long-term solution. Your bay windows should enhance your home, not create discomfort or hidden damage. If you're experiencing drafts, rising energy bills, visible wear, or leaks, it may be time to consider replacement. Upgrading your bay windows in Frisco can improve energy efficiency, comfort, and the overall beauty of your home for years to come.